Now, I was thinking of canceling the open notes quizzes that I would give students, but then looking over the menu bars over here on the left, I see one of the titles is quizzes. Now, it wasn't visible to the students before because we didn't have any. So I clicked on it. So this opens up, and I've typed in the title of the quiz I want to add. And that's there. And then I'm going to go down and say it's a selection here, a practice quiz. So it won't have any points in the system, but I'll check it, and then I'm using just the average of these quizzes that I manually put into Canvas, and there's no time limit. And we want to have due dates. So I'm going to say it's going to start from now. And then the due date for this one will be the 17th of March. And I have to also pick out who I want to give the quiz to. So I type on this section. So these will be the students that are to submit the quiz. Now I want to add by going up to Files here. I'm going to go to Upload a new file, choose the file, and then I go into my computer, and since I have these already done, I can just click on it. These are PDF files, and then I open So I selected it, it's downloaded. I'm going to upload now. And there it is. Okay. Now I go over here to save and publish. Click on that, and that should do it. And it is published, and I think I'm good. Now I can click on preview here as well. Let's try that. And it opens up in an Adobe format. Okay, looks good. So now when I click on quizzes, this is what will show up. Open Notes quiz on 3.5. This was actually due before break, but some missed it, and I haven't returned it yet, so these students can still do it. And Open Notes quiz on, which is due for the 17th when we come back. And I can put others there. And I'm kind of just trying this out to see how it's going to work. I've told the students in an email that they can write it out on a piece of paper, scan it if they can, or take a photo of the results, and then email me it as an attachment. And let's see how that works. Okay, we won't keep this too long here.